Hi everyone, welcome to RevvBuzz. So today we are driving the 2021 Toyota Innova Crysta. Ever since its first launch, it has been ruling the MPV segment. So let's see what the 2021 facelift has got for us.
A lot of car makers have tried their hands on the MPV body type in our Indian market, but only Toyota has managed to get the math right. Toyota Innova has been ruling the MPV market ever since its first launch. So let's check out what the 2021 facelifted Innova has got for us. The face features the big swept back headlamps and you get to see quad LEDs as daytime running lights. The grille has been redesigned and now it includes thick chrome lining across the edges with the bold Toyota logo in the very center of the grille. Bumpers too now get sharp creases and the turn signal indicators are now placed here, and further down are placed the LED fog lamps. 2021 Innova now also offers front parking sensors. Moving to the side profile, the most noticeable change is the new alloy wheel design. The Innova now wears 17-inch diamond cut alloys. Tire size on this one is 215/55 R17. ORVMs get chrome treatment along with turn signal indicator. Moving to the rear, the car remains unchanged. This is a bit of disappointment because Toyota could have included some refreshing new changes to the rear as well. The smart looking taillights really help add the charm to the looks of the Innova. You get Innova Crysta badging on the left, and on the right is the variant badging. As a whole, the rear gets a simple and minimalist design approach as compared to the rest of the vehicle. Overall, the Innova is one beautiful looking MPV. It really stands out from the crowd. Let's hop in and check out the interiors. The interior of the Innova Crysta looks quite premium. The flowing dashboard design with the big touchscreen really uplifts the in-cabin experience. The touchscreen infotainment system is smooth and offers all sorts of connectivity features. Though the reverse camera could have been of better quality considering the price tag of the Innova. Moving down, then you see the AC controls. The air conditioning is quite impressive. It cools the entire cabin in just a few moments. There are lots and lots of storage spaces on offer, like the perfectly hidden bottle holders on the dashboard and twin glove boxes. There's also some more space to put your cell phone and the car keys. Steering wheel is chunky and is made of high quality materials. Between the analog gauges sits a small MID that shows all the vehicle related information and settings. Most of the materials used are of high quality, though there are some hard plastics that doesn't do justice to the premium feeling of the Innova. Moving to the back seat. This is the place which gets all the limelight in the life of an Innova. Rear seats are wide and are well contoured to offer optimum comfort. The legroom is great and the headroom is decent as well. To enhance the rear seating experience further, you get a tray table and cup holders to ensure a luxurious feel. The seat can be moved back and forth and can also be reclined to achieve the desired comfortable position. The roof-mounted AC vents are quite effective. There's also independent controls given here.
The seats are quite comfortable and soft. What's also great is the fact that you can adjust them as per your requirement. The suspension setup is phenomenal. No bumps and uneven patches filter inside the cabin. insulation is remarkably good as well. Innova definitely offers unmatched rear seat experience.
Now comes the third row. Innova gets proper third row seats that can comfortably seat an adult. Legroom is decent and so is the headroom. You also get some storage space here as well. Boot space is great even with all 3 rows of seats up. And when you fold the third row, you get more than enough space to haul in large amount of luggage. Now it's time to check out what the Innova feels like from behind the wheel. At startup, you do hear some clatter, making it evident that this is a diesel motor. Being a large capacity diesel engine, the torque is available quite low down and makes it an effortless vehicle to drive due to almost no turbo lag. The vehicle can cruise easily at triple-digit speeds without making the driver feel that the engine is straining itself. Now talking about the gearbox, it, being a torque converter unit, is a bit slow to respond. Also, if you observe closely, sometimes you may feel the gear shifting. The engine gearbox combo suggests it's best for cruising or driving the vehicle sedately. Innova has always been known for its comfort and it's reason why people love to be chauffeured around in one. This Innova is no different. It's one of the best riding ladder frame vehicle on offer. It flattens bumps beautifully well, although sharp potholes may filter in due to the low profile rubber on the 17-inch alloys. Some typical ladder frame jiggliness is present at low speeds, but that isn't intrusive or uncomfortable. Even on the highway, Innova has good body control, there's no unnecessary body movement, and dare I say it, it handles more like a car than something based on a ladder frame. Being a heavy vehicle, on hard braking there is nosedive which is expected. The brake does its job on point, it's not complaint-worthy or truly exceptional. They just work and stop the car where it should.
The performance is quite nice, I would say. The gear shifts are a bit jerky and each shift makes its movement felt. The 2.4 litre diesel engine produces 148 brake horsepower and 343 Newton meters of torque.
Innova is a vehicle that will always appeal to your head more than the heart. It's easy to maintain, it's comfortable, it's reliable, has incredible resale value, drives really well for an MPV, and it's spacious. Innova is called the King of the MPVs for a reason, and today we just found out why.
Thank you so much for tuning into RevvBuzz. I hope you liked the video. And if you liked it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RevvBuzz to never miss any updates.